Hi, Kelsey and Gary. This is Mike. It is Friday afternoon. I can see that you, Kelsey, are doing a whole lot of uploading onto onto Dropbox right now. Right here, you can see the list. I can see the list. It's huge. It's fabulous, the work that you're doing. I want to check in with you and with Gary right now because I'm wondering how we can best communicate with one another and store documents, all this wonderful research that you're doing in a way that will be efficient for your time and also for the storage of the data. I'm going to show you something. Here is the Amsterdamnified group. You can see it right here, and I've created this one little document with selections from Jan Rewerts, a Dutch printer and publisher who worked with Spinoza, and I've also created this file with Haugill's work. It only took me about 10 minutes to create, and it has links to most of the documents. So, if, for example, if I click on Truth Lifting Up Its Head Above Slander in an answer to Thomas Jackson, just click on it here in my Zotero file, I'll get a copy of the title page on Zotero. I might have to sign in, but that's fine. And then these icons here are quite handy. It might, in fact, be better just to have these links here without the PDFs in our collection, because we have the bibliographic information. You can see it here on the right-hand side. We have to make sure that we edit these things, and this collection is only a quick rough draft right now. But look at this. I can go to the thumbnails, and here's the entire document at a glance, and Gary or I, or you, Kelsey, could then read this here on our screens, or I can go to this icon here. It is a full text for page images. What I have is, look, a transcription. In some cases, Ebo has transcribed the documents. If I go back to the thumbnail view, so I have all the original pages on the screen, and then click the full text, I can find the full text transcribed at a glance. It's also handy because I could simply, well, let's see, go to print view. Here's a print view. I highlight the text, copy it. If I wanted to do a quick visual analysis using Voyant tools, I open up a Voyant page, paste it in, click reveal, apply the stop words, and then do a quick analysis here. Naked looks interesting, and see if spirit shows up just for the fun of it. There it is. Okay, not particularly interesting necessarily, but because there's only very few mentions of these words, but if I had larger texts, it certainly would be useful to do this. I can do this quickly working online without having to have the PDFs downloaded. It saves you, Kelsey, a whole lot of time if you can just focus on organizing your research in useful groups in folders in the Amsterdamnified collection in Zotero. I can give you some tips and pointers on how to do that effectively, but I'm just pointing out that it's worth us pausing as a group for a while to think about how best to use your time and our time together collectively. Just some thoughts for a moment before the weekend. I wish you both, Gary and Kelsey, a great weekend. Bye for now from Mike.